Mastering telephone skills. Today, the telephone is by far one of the most effective business communications tool, in companies of all sizes, from solo enterprises to multinationals. Yet, the fact is most people receive little or no training in how to use the phone effectively. How to build a positive telephone personality. 1. Don't worry what you look like when you're on the phone. 2. Use as much, or as little, body language as you wish. 3. Focus your concentration on what you are saying and what's being said to you. 4. Mirror positive feelings in your facial expressions. Remember, if you smile while you speak, you'll put a smile in your voice. 5. Try to relax, stretch to loosen your muscles and breathe evenly. Tension can feed straight into your voice and create a negative image. 6. Do not use specialized language. What's jargon to you may be a foreign language to others. 7. Avoid cliches that say one thing but clearly mean something else. Remember, when you tell a lie your voice rises involuntarily. On the phone, this lie is easily detected. 8. Punctuate your conversation with you're in the person's name. How to be a good listener. 1. Don't listen on autopilot or while doing something else. 2. Make a conscious effort to pour all your energy into listening. 3. Eliminate as many external distractions as possible. 4. Ignore what's going on around you. 5. Erase internal distractions as well. Stray thoughts about other matters, it should be curbed as soon as they occur. 6. Take notes to keep your eye on the ball. 7. Jot down your own reactions, as well as points of hard information. 8. Demonstrate to the speaker that you're paying attention, by making regular continuity noises. 9. Check your understanding by repeating back key points. 10. Keep a hold on your emotions. Getting emotional interferes with your ability to listen clearly. 11. Avoid the temptation to interrupt, even if you're upset by what you've just heard. How to control the flow of a conversation. 1. Be sure you understand exactly what you want the call to achieve. 2. Take the initiative. This gives you the right to take the lead and choose when to end the call. 3. Begin every call with a verbal handshake by saying who you are and why you are calling. 4. Mirror the conversational style and vocabulary of the other person to generate rapport. 5. Keep your line of argument simple. State your case and persist until the message gets through. 6. Keep the conversation flowing by asking plenty of questions, but also be generous with information of your own. 7. Search for areas of agreement, rather than points of difference. 8. Use silence for emphasis, and to prompt the other person to respond. 9. Offer alternatives when seeking agreement. 10. Summarize, paraphrase and close. It was pleasure speaking with you.